Yo YouTube fam, what's going on? Jeff Fallout here, back at it again with another video. And for today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 style tips for all you teens out there. So let's play the intro so we can get started. You know, it wasn't too long ago that I too was once a teenager. I know, hard to believe, right? I was this lost teen looking for the best style tips that money could buy. And then somewhere along the line I got old and turned 24. But yeah, I'm just messing around, guys. Honestly, I made this video for all you teens out there that are looking for style advice that'll help set you apart from the rest of the pack. And that brings us to tip number 1, which is not being scared to be different. And by this, I mean not being scared to set yourself apart stylistically from your friends. I mean, I see this all the time now and when I was growing up. A new pair of Jordans would drop with a new shirt or pants or whatever at Champs or Finish Line. And I kid you not, the next day, everybody in school is wearing the same exact Jordan outfit. Same shoes, same shirt, same pants. Literally groups of people wearing the same exact outfits. Walking by, doing stuff. Fits, we used to call them. Everyone was wearing the same fit. Yeah. So, moral of the story. Don't be afraid to shake things up. It's okay to wear different things that your friends aren't wearing. And now on to step number 2, which is to stop following trends. Guys, trends are called trends for a reason. They're literally here for a period of a few weeks or a few months, and then guess what? They're gone. So don't spend your money on things that'll be temporarily in style one day and then obsolete the next. Honestly, it's just not worth it. And more likely than not, the trending item is gonna be expensive as hell for no damn reason. I remember when everyone was wearing those Ed Hardy graphic t-shirts that were like $50 to $100 each. Literally everyone was wearing them back then, but I challenge you to find someone wearing them now. Like all trends, it too eventually faded and died. The great trend fire of '83. Ghastly thing, that fire. So many trends. Gone. Burned alive. And now we have tip number 3. Shopping smart. As a teen, your idea of what's trending or what's cool or what's in is influenced heavily by what your friends think. It's that old mentality of, oh, my friends have these new $300 shoes or a shirt or jeans or whatever. And then you think to yourself, yeah, my life would be so much better if I had those shoes too. And that's exactly how I thought during my teen years. If my friends had one, I had to have one too. But I was broke, so yeah. A lot of things I didn't end up getting. But still, you don't really need something because your friend has it. In reality, it's cool to spend on clothes and stuff like that from time to time, but make sure you got your basics down first. Things like basic t-shirts, jeans, Henleys, jackets, sweaters, things like that you can get at an affordable price and that are versatile enough to work with the other things in your wardrobe. Teen style tip number 4 is gonna have to be fit. So it's important to make sure that the clothes that you have fit you nicely. And honestly, it's just tragic when I see teens walking around with clothes that don't fit them properly, whether it be too baggy or too loose. It's just tragic. Now, don't get me wrong, I too was once one of those tragic kids walking around with super baggy clothes and yeah, thinking back, I look totally ridiculous. Not some of my best work. But don't be like old Jeff. Make sure your clothes fit. I mean, I'd rather have like a $5 shirt from Ross or some jeans from H&M that are like $20 and have them fit me nicely than have some like, I don't know, some $200 Hugo Boss shirt or some $200 True Religion jeans that are like baggy as hell and like look disgusting. Yeah, don't do that. And the last style tip I have for you guys is to, well, forget about quality. See, at this age, you shouldn't be really worrying about getting quality clothes, and here's why. As a teenager, you're still young and you're gonna be experimenting on what you like and what you don't like, the different styles you wanna do and stuff like that. So basically, you're still growing mentally, physically, and stylistically. So at this time, you should not be really spending clothes. So really, this is not the time for you to be spending money on quality pieces of clothing that you probably won't even like in a few months. So yeah, what's the point? So you know, you could save that money, buy a pizza or juice. But on a serious note, guys, our time together is up. You've made it to the end of the video. And well, since you made it this far, you should definitely consider commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel for future videos. Definitely hit that notification button also next to the subscribe button. And hopefully this video helps all you teens out there. And with that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuce.